Hi guys, this is Ashusyam. I'm a student from the Computer Science Engineering Artificial Intelligence Department from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering who is currently pursuing third year 6th sem. So here I'm here to present you a presentation or introduction to the how to establish a groundwork. So welcome to a presentation, a groundbreaking new product that will revolutionize revolutionize the way you approach a daily task. Let's dive into the key features and benefits that will transform your productivity and efficiency. Defining the problem. The defining the problem has been divided into three types: identifying the issue, understanding the context, and gathering the data. So the first one comes that in identifying the issue, clearly articulate the challenge or the opportunity at hand. Understanding the context includes just like examine the broader landscape and the factors influencing the problem. The third one comes to gathering the data. Collect relevant information, evidence to information decision making. Establishing the groundwork for addressing a challenge requires precisely defining the problem. This involves clearly identifying the issue, understanding the broader context and the factors at play, gathering relevant data and information to guide the decision making process. The third one includes that identifying the key stakeholders. The key stakeholders can be classified into mainly three types: the customers, employees, and the leadership. When we go to the customers are those who use or purchase the product service. Employees are those who work to create and deliver the offering. The leadership are those who set the strategic decisions and the priorities. Understanding the key stakeholders is crucial for developing a comprehensive strategic plan. Identifying the customers and emerging leadership involved will ensure that all the perspectives are considered, that a plan addresses the needs and concerns of the that are led by an initiative. Next one comes to gathering relevant information. The gathering relevant information can be classified into first one identifying the key data sources, second was conduct through research, and the fourth one is consult to stakeholders. Identifying the key data sources, pinpoint the most credible and up-to-date sources of information such as industry reports, academic studies, and expert interviews. The second one comes to conduct to research, meticulously gather and analyze all pertinent data from market trends to customer insights to gain a comprehensive understanding of the problem. Consult the stakeholders. Engage with the key stakeholders including customers, employers, industry leaders to gather diverse perspectives and uncover hidden issues. Analyzing the data. Identifying the patterns, access, matrix, segment, and prioritize are the three things that mainly play a crucial factors or the steps in analyzing the data. In identifying the patterns, examine the data closely to uncover trends, correlations, and anomalies that can provide valuable insights. The access metrics determine the key performance indicators and measure how the current stage aligns with the desired outcome. Segment and prioritize. Group the data into the meaningful segments and prioritize the most critical areas that requires immediate attention. So these are the patterns or the steps that are being used in analyzing the data. Identifying the patterns, access metrics, segment, and prioritize. These are the steps. Developing a strategic plan. It includes defining the objectives, accessing the landscape, leverage the strengths. And developing a strategic plan, defining the objectives includes clearly articulate the specific goals and outcomes you aim to achieve through your strategic plan. And assessing the landscape, analyze the external environment including the market trends, competition, customer needs to identify the opportunities and the challenges. In the leveraging the strengths, identify organization's core competencies and unique capabilities that can be leveraged to achieve strategic objectives. In establishing clear objectives, it's being classified into five: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, the time bound. In specific, define clear, measurable goals. In measurable, establish quantifiable metrics for success. Achievable, set realistic targets with available resources. relevant, ensure objectives align with overall strategy, time bound, establish realistic timelines for the completion. Creating effective objectives is crucial for guiding the strategic plan and ensuring accountability by adhering the SMART framework and specific, achievable, relevant, and time bound. The team can develop a clear roadmap for success that keeps everyone aligned and focused on the modified outcomes. Next one comes allocating resources effectively. This plays a very crucial factors in the working of any process or model, because every different types of the different types of modules in a model or project, they require different types of resource allocation, the time efficiency, and the optimization must be done based on this. And later the monitoring must be done whether these changes which have been done are make sure that these changes which have been made does not affect the working process of the environment. Now first let me go to the prioritize, include identifying crucial initiatives and allocate resources accordingly. In the optimization, maximize the impact of each investment by aligning with strategic goals. Third, monitoring, regularly evaluate resource utilization, make adjustments as needed. Implementing the plan can be done using a three-step process. First one is mobilize the resources, communicate the vision. Last one is monitor the progress. At last, we comes here how monitoring adjusting the approach helps. This plays as well as a very crucial role in satisfying the feedbacks, or can also monitoring the changes that has been made and that has been required by the stakeholders. So this can be done using continuous evaluation, feedback loops, and the course corrections. So this is the guys that ends the presentation. So thank you for providing a valuable time. This is just Syam signing off. Jai Hind.